You need to watch this if you struggle with slow software delivery. Imagine a world where delivering software is as smooth as a well-oiled machine. If you've ever felt the frustration of slow and inefficient software delivery, this story is for you. In the bustling realm of software development, speed and efficiency are the keys to success. Companies are on a relentless quest to deliver top-notch software at lightning speed. Enter continuous integration and continuous deployment, or CI/CD, the heroes of our tale. CI/CD champions automation, teamwork, and continuous improvement, allowing businesses to adapt swiftly to market changes. With CI/CD, companies can speed up their release cycles, enhance software quality, and stay ahead in the digital race. But CI/CD is more than just a toolkit. It's a cultural revolution that demands a new way of thinking and working together. By the end of this journey, you'll grasp the power of CI/CD and how it can transform your software delivery into a seamless, efficient process. Imagine a world where software updates happen seamlessly, almost like magic. This is the promise of continuous integration and continuous deployment, or CI/CD for short. Picture developers constantly adding their code to a shared repository where it's automatically tested and deployed. This cycle repeats, ensuring the software is always ready for release, cutting down the time and effort needed to launch new features and fix bugs. Think of CI/CD as a flexible framework, adaptable to various projects and organizational needs. At its heart, CI/CD bridges the gap between development and operations teams, promoting a culture of collaboration and shared responsibility. Continuous integration is all about frequently merging code changes into a central repository. Continuous deployment takes it further, automatically pushing code that passes all tests straight to production. You need to watch this if you struggle with seamless software delivery. This is the magic of CI/CD. At the heart of this magic are several key components working in harmony. Picture a version control system, or VCS, like Git. It's the backbone of CI/CD. This is where all the code lives, changes are tracked, and developers collaborate. Next, imagine a build server. It's like a tireless worker, always ready to build and test the code. It pulls the latest code from the VCS and runs automated builds and tests. Automated testing is the guardian of quality in CI/CD. With an automated testing framework, you can write and run various tests, ensuring everything works perfectly. Deployment tools are the final piece, automating the journey of software to different environments. Continuous monitoring and logging keep an eye on the health and performance of applications in real time. And when a developer commits code, it sets off a chain reaction, triggering the CI/CD pipeline to build, test, and deploy the code automatically. Imagine a world where software development is a seamless, efficient process. In today's fast-paced tech environment, CI/CD is the secret sauce that makes this possible. Picture this. Your team is able to roll out updates and new features at lightning speed. That's one of the magic tricks CI/CD brings to the table. Faster time to market. With CI/CD, your software reaches users quicker than ever before, leaving traditional methods in the dust. Imagine automating the build, test, and deployment processes. CI/CD does just that, slashing the time it takes to move code from a developer's machine to production. Improved software quality. Think of CI/CD as your software's personal trainer, emphasizing automated testing at every stage to keep it in top shape. This rigorous testing catches bugs early, ensuring your software is polished and nearly flawless. Reduced risk. By breaking down releases into small, manageable pieces, CI/CD minimizes the risk of big, scary software failures. Increased efficiency and productivity. CI/CD takes over many of the repetitive tasks, freeing up your team to focus on what they do best, creating amazing software. Welcome to Chapter 5, where we dive into the heart of seamless software delivery, continuous integration. Imagine a bustling office where developers are constantly committing their code to a shared repository. This is the essence of continuous integration, or CI. Picture this. Developers integrating their code changes into the main branch multiple times a day, ensuring that everyone is on the same page. Every time a developer commits code, an automated build process kicks off, running tests and checks to maintain the codebase's integrity. The build server compiles the code, runs automated tests, and performs other essential checks, ensuring everything is in tip-top shape. By catching issues early, CI helps developers resolve integration problems before they become major headaches. And the best part? Developers get fast feedback on their code changes, allowing them to make quick adjustments. Continuous integration is the backbone of a stable and reliable codebase, making it an indispensable part of modern software development. You need to hear this if you're a developer looking to master advanced CI/CD concepts. Welcome to Section 6, where we dive into the world of continuous deployment and explore how it takes automation to the next level. Imagine a world where every code change that passes all tests is automatically released to production. That's the magic of continuous deployment, or CD. Picture an automated deployment pipeline, guiding code changes through various stages like development, staging, and finally, production. Each stage has its own set of automated tests and deployment procedures, ensuring everything runs smoothly. To make this happen, CD uses powerful deployment automation tools like Ansible, Chef, or Puppet, which handle the heavy lifting of deploying applications across different environments. Now let's clear up a common confusion: continuous delivery versus continuous deployment. They sound similar but have a key difference. With continuous delivery, your code is always in a releasable state, but the actual deployment to production might still need a manual trigger. Continuous deployment, on the other hand, takes it a step further by automating the release to production, eliminating the need for any manual intervention. This represents the pinnacle of CI/CD automation, allowing organizations to release software updates and new features to users quickly, reliably, and with minimal manual effort. Welcome to Section 7, where we dive into the fascinating world of popular CI/CD platforms. Imagine a bustling marketplace filled with a variety of tools and platforms, each one offering unique features to help you master CI/CD. First up, we have Jenkins. Picture it as a versatile craftsman, an open-source automation server that's packed with plugins and integrations to build, test, and deploy your software. Jenkins is like a chameleon, highly customizable to fit any CI/CD workflow you can imagine. Next, meet GitLab CI. Think of it as an all-in-one toolkit, seamlessly integrated into the GitLab code repository. GitLab CI is your go-to for automating the entire software development lifecycle, from planning and coding to testing and deployment. Then there's Circle CI. Imagine a sleek, cloud-based platform known for its speed and user-friendliness. Circle CI integrates effortlessly with popular version control systems like GitHub and Bitbucket, offering a plethora of pre-built integrations for various tools and services. Choosing the right CI/CD tool is like picking the perfect companion for your journey. It depends on your project needs, team expertise, budget, and integration requirements. You need to watch this if you struggle with CI/CD implementation. Welcome to Section 8, where we dive into the world of CI/CD with a focus on best practices and pitfalls. Imagine you're about to embark on a CI/CD journey. The key to success? Careful planning, teamwork, and sticking to proven strategies. Let's explore some best practices. First, start small and iterate. Picture this. You begin with a basic CI/CD pipeline. As you gain confidence, you gradually add more features and complexity. Next, foster a culture of collaboration. Imagine a team where developers, testers, and operations folks are in constant communication, working together seamlessly. Automate everything. Think about automating tasks from building and testing to deployment and infrastructure. It's like having a reliable assistant that never sleeps. Use version control for everything. Envision storing not just your code, but also configuration files, scripts, and other important artifacts in version control. Monitor continuously. Imagine having a robust monitoring system that keeps an eye on your application's health and performance around the clock. Now, let's talk about some common pitfalls to avoid. One major pitfall is the lack of automated testing. Picture this. Without adequate test coverage, the benefits of CI/CD can quickly unravel. Another challenge is resistance to change. Imagine a team that's hesitant to adopt new practices. This cultural shift is crucial for CI/CD success. Lastly, avoid overly complex pipelines. Think of a pipeline that's so complicated it becomes a nightmare to maintain. Keep it simple and manageable. Welcome to Section 9 CI/CD in Action Real-World Success Stories. Imagine a world where software delivery is seamless and efficient. That's the reality for many companies today, thanks to CI/CD. Take Netflix, for example. This entertainment giant has fully embraced CI/CD and DevOps practices. With a highly automated CI/CD pipeline, Netflix can deploy code changes to production multiple times a day. This agility allows them to innovate quickly and respond to customer demands in real time. And then there's Amazon. This tech giant has been a pioneer in CI/CD. Amazon's CI/CD practices are crucial for delivering new features and services to millions of customers worldwide. These stories show how CI/CD can transform organizations, enabling faster time to market, better software quality, and happier customers. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Your support helps us bring you more valuable content. Thank you for watching.